Okay, good morning everyone. Yes, today's topic is curved surface area of cone and total surface area of cone. क्लियर? अब देखिए यहाँ पे मैंने एक कोन जो है वो ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. क्लियर? अब कोन का ये जो पोर्शन है दैट इज सर्कुलर. क्लियर? दिस पोर्शन विल बी सर्कुलर. जैसे आप लोगों ने एग्जांपल्स देखी हैं, जैसे क्लाउन की कैप हो गई. ठीक है, तो वो क्या है? दिस इज अ शेप ऑफ कोन. क्लियर? और उसका जो बेस है दैट इज सर्कुलर. क्लियर? अगर उसका बेस सर्कुलर है और अगर हम वो सपोज कर ले रेडियस आर. क्लियर? एंड दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द कोन एंड लेट इट बी एच. क्लियर? एंड एल बी द स्लांट हाइट. Clear? L be the slant height of the cone, right? Then curved surface area of cone will be pi r L, right? Where L is equal to under root r square plus x square. R square plus x square. Clear? Next is total surface area of cone. टोटल सरफेस एरिया में क्या होगा कि कर्व सरफेस में सिर्फ ये कर्व्ड पोर्शन जो है कवर हुआ था. क्लियर? अब टोटल सरफेस एरिया में क्या है? ये जो सर्कुलर पार्ट है कोन का दैट विल आल्सो बी एडेड. क्लियर? ठीक है, तो इसका एरिया भी हम ऐड कर दे कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन के साथ, तो हमारा ये टोटल सरफेस एरिया आ जाएगा. क्लियर? देन टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन विल बी इक्वल टू पाई आर एल प्लस एरिया ऑफ द सर्कुलर एंड ऑफ द कोन दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. क्लियर? अब इसमें से पाई आर कॉमन है, तो पाई आर कॉमन निकाल लीजिए. देन ब्रैकेट में अंदर क्या रह गया? एल प्लस, right? Therefore, total surface area of cone is equal to pi r L plus r या r plus L. Clear? So this is the total surface area of cone and this is curved surface area of cone. Clear? And L be the slant height और उसकी वैल्यू जो अगर आपने फाइंड आउट करनी है r और h गिवन है तो आपने ये यूज करना अंडर रूट r स्क्वायर प्लस. क्लियर? Next is exercise 13.3. Question number 3. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find first radius of the base, second the total surface area of the cone. Clear? अब इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि कर्व सरफेस एरिया कोन का दिया है, उसकी स्लांट हाइट गिवन है. फर्स्ट हमने उसका रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना है, सेकंड उसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया. क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन curved surface area of cone is equal to 308 centimeter square and its slant height is equal to 14 centimeter, and we have to find radius of its base. Since we know that curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L, therefore 308 is equal to pi r L. Now putting the value of L here, pi r. So we get 308 is equal to 22 by 7 multiply r multiply L, that is 40. Now 7 to the 14. So we get 308 is equal to 22 into 2, 44 multiply r, which implies r is equal to 308 over 44, which is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore, radius of its base is equal to 7 centimeters. Next, total surface area of the cone. Total surface area is equal to pi r plus L. Now putting the value of pi r and L here, we get 22 by 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 plus 40. ये 7 से 7 cancel, so we get 22 multiply 7 plus 14. 21, which is equal to 462 centimeter square. Therefore, total surface area of the cone is 462 centimeter square. So this is the required. Next is question number 4. A conical tank is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find first the slant height of the tank, second the cost of canvas required to make the tank if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. अब इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि एक कोनिकल टैंक है जिसकी हाइट जो है 10 मीटर है और जो रेडियस है उसके बेस का दैट इज 24 मीटर. एंड फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्लांट हाइट ऑफ द टैंक, सेकंड कॉस्ट ऑफ कैनवस, कितना कैनवस जो है रिक्वायर्ड है उस टैंक को बनाने के लिए, उसकी हमने कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी है. और गिवन क्या है कि कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवस इज रुपीज 70. क्लियर? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Here we have given a conical tank whose height is equal to 10 meters and radius of its base is 24 meters. And first we have to find the slant. Clear? So first of all write down radius of base of conical tank is equal to 24 meters and its height of conical tank is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, slant height is equal to under root r square plus h square. So putting the value of r and h here, we get 24 square plus 10 square, which is equal to 576 plus 100, which is equal to under root 676, and root of 676 is equal to 26. Therefore, slant height of the conical tank is 26 meter. तो ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया हमारा कवर. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड पार्ट इज find the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, इसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया. कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करने से पहले हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कोनिकल टेंट. क्यों? क्योंकि उस टेंट को बनाने के लिए जो कोन का वो सिर्फ कर्व्ड पार्ट कवर होगा. क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कोनिकल टेंट. Curved surface area of the conical tank is equal to pi r n, which is equal to 22 by 7 multiply r 24 and then multiply L 20. On simplifying, we get 13728 over 7 meters. Therefore, curved surface area of the conical tank is 13728 over 7 meters square. Now, find the cost. Now, cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 70. Therefore, cost of 13728 over 7 meters square is equal to 13728 over 7 multiply 70, which is equal to 13728 rupees. Clear? So this is the total cost of the canvas required to make the conical tank. So this is the required answer. Next is question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tank of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 cm. अब इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि हमने टारपोलिन की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है और उसकी विड्थ दी हुई है 3 मीटर, एंड दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक कोनिकल टेंट जिसकी हाइट कितनी है 8 मीटर और बेस रेडियस 6 मीटर। And also we have to assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters. And we have to use here phi is equal to 3.1. So first of all, find the slant height of the conical tent. So first write down height of the conical tent. Height of the conical tent h is equal to 8 meter and base radius is equal to 6 meter. Therefore, slant height of the conical tent is under root r square plus h square, which is equal to 6 square plus 8 square, which is equal to 36 plus 64, which is further equal to root 100, and root 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, slant height of the conical tent is 10. Therefore, slant height of the conical tent is 10 meters. Now, in order to find the length of tarpaulin, first of all, find the curved surface area of the conical tent. Therefore, curved surface area of the conical tent is equal to pi r s. And here we have to use pi is equal to 3.14. Therefore, putting the value of pi r and l here, we get 3.14 multiply 6 multiply 10, which is equal to 188.4 meter square. Therefore, curved surface area of the conical tent is 188.4 meter square. Now let the length of tarpaulin sheet required dl as 20 centimeters will be wasted. Therefore, effective length of the tarpaulin is equal to L minus 0.2 meter. Therefore, area of sheet is equal to L minus 0.2 multiplied by B. And also the area of sheet is equal to curved surface area of conical tent, which implies L minus 0.2 multiplied 3, because width is 3 meters, which is equal to 188.4 meters. Now simplify this to get the value of L, which implies 3L minus 0.6 is equal to 188.4, which implies 3L is equal to 188.4 plus 0.6, which implies 3L is equal to 189. So L is equal to 189 over 3, which is equal to 60. Therefore, required length of the tarpaulin sheet is equal to 63 meters. So this is the required.
Next is question number 6. The slant height and the base diameter of conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meters. अब इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है कि एक कोनिकल टॉम है जिसकी स्लांट हाइट 25 मीटर दी है और उसके बेस का जो डायमीटर है दैट इज 14 मीटर एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rupees 210 per 100 meters square. So first of all, find the curved surface area of this conical top. Here, slant height of the conical top is equal to 25 meter and diameter of its base is equal to 14. Therefore, radius of its base is equal to 14 divided by 2, 7. Therefore, curved surface area of conical tomb is equal to pi r n. Now, putting the value of pi r and n here, we get 22 by 7 multiply 7 multiply 25. 7 से ये 7 कैंसिल हो गया so 22 multiply 25 which is equal to 550 meters. Therefore, curved surface area of conical tomb is 550 meters. Now we have to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface, and it is given that cost of whitewashing 100 meters square is equal to rupees 210. Therefore, cost of whitewashing 550 meters square is equal to rupees 210 over 100 multiply 550, which is equal to rupees 1155. Therefore, the total cost of whitewashing its curved surface is equal to rupees 1155. So this is the